Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm here on this beautiful day with my beautiful partner Miley, and on this beautiful day, it's like not humid. It's a decent temperature. Let's sit inside. I was sitting in my room and I was preparing myself for another video that I'm gonna make tomorrow. I thought, what better than to make a video on this beautiful day about making my sunroof work again? Because as of right now, my sunroof, it doesn't have a motor. The motor died, so I pulled the motor out, and I had to close it because the motor kept opening up when I didn't want it to, and I was like, nah, I can't do that no more. So one day it was pouring out. I had to take the motor out and then close it manually, which sucked because I couldn't figure out the exact way to close it. So as of right now, I'm gonna grab the new motor that I got for a really cheap price, thanks to a friend. He had a parts car, gave it to me for a really reasonable price. And yeah, because I wasn't gonna buy a new one because they're $450. So enjoy the video. I don't have a lot of room here, but here it is. This is the easiest thing you'll ever install in your car, I think. So basically this is a switch. It just comes down like that, and then you unplug that, and then this will just pop out. Usually, hang on, this is why I need my sister to help me, because I need two hands. Yeah, it just pops out like that, and then you got the harness here. As you see, that will go in there, and then just unplug this so I can pull that out, and this won't be hanging. Alright guys, so as you see, I just installed a new motor. Sometimes if you unplug the motor, or if the motor's maybe it's not closing, or maybe the tilt doesn't work, sometimes if you reset the position, that can help it. So the easiest way to reset it is just push it in the tilt position, push it all the way up and hold it there for 20 seconds. You'll see maybe it won't go up right away, but at a certain point it'll reset, and then it'll tilt, and then hold it 1 or 2 seconds after, and then you can release it. That sets the tilt. And then after that, say it doesn't close fully, or the one touch thing doesn't work, so the one touch close or one touch reverse doesn't close, just hold it all the way forward for 20 seconds. That'll reset the forward position, and that way it will reset both positions in the sunroof, and then it should open and close just like this. Oh, hold on, my keys are out. There you go. And then the tilt. There you go. All set, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.